Good people, I'm starting this vlog right now because we are heading somewhere, and I wanted to go and show you that hidden gem in Mombasa. If you've ever come to Mombasa, or you will come to Mombasa, you're in Mombasa, let's go guys. Let me show you outfit of the day, how I'm dressed. Let me just show you. Come with me so that I can show you that hidden gem that you've never heard of it. Oh, I'm glowing. So let me heading out. So let's meet the other side of the world. Yeah, so that's how I'm dressed. So guys, let's go. I'll explain to you everything, every detail of this video. Yeah, guys, this is us walking towards that place. We've just alighted. We took a matatu. It's 20 bob from Bambure Mwisho. Then you're on your way there. Finally here. This is Nguuni. Inajisomaje? Hala Park. So this is the gate. So we are going inside. Then I'll let you know what next. So that's where watu wanalipia. Then guys, before anything, we had to take some photos, very nice snapshots. Here we are. Oh, kuna mpaka camping site. Huku ndio camping site. Ni washinga. Sasa mimi naona njia hapa nikafikiria ndio njia. Mimi shida yenu nini? So guys, this is the place. So this is how the receipt looks like. This one checked. We were 3 of us, each is 400 shillings. So guys, we are inside Nguuni Sanctuary. Yeah, Nguuni Sanctuary. And this is how it is going down. So there's a campsite. In fact, there's a campsite here. You can come and camp. And I've seen a lot of people coming here, guys. So we are just walking so that we can see what is going on ahead of us. We go to where the animals are and everything. The place looks so good. So let me just turn my camera, then show you everything. Oh, this is where we are heading. It's a typical nature walk, and this is how it looks like. We are just walking up to the far end so that we can find where people are and where the animals are also. Guys, here we are walking and going the farthest end so that we can find where the animals are. It's nature walk, nature trail, something like that. So let's enjoy the walk with you. Yeah. Comment down below if you are in Mombasa, if you've ever been to this place. See, Mr. Mani is here. And the other side is my lady. Say hi, Mr. Man.
Hi.
Hi, my lady.
Hey guys.
Okay. So guys, we are walking. I'll just show you when we are almost there. The funniest part is this park is just there are houses. Let me turn my camera. Houses around here, guys. People are living around here. I don't understand how you can live near a park where there are animals, but I'm being told that the park is quite far distance from them. Then the good thing, there's these I think these are the barbed wire are electrified. I don't know if that's what is called, but yeah, walk with me as we go. There's to Sundowner picnic, 1 kilometer.
Are you seeing 1 kilometer to Sundowner picnic? So we are still heading. We are still heading. It's a walk. There, the farthest end. There. Some people are coming in with tuk-tuks. If you know tuk-tuks, if you're in Kenya, I know you know tuk-tuks. And some people are coming in with their own vehicles. Some people are coming in with taxis. We've met even some tourists here, not local tourists, international tourists. And yeah, some people are also coming in with their own vehicles. So it's somewhere where you can come with your people, do picnics. You can do picnics, you can come and see the giraffes and everything. But let's go and see what's there. Let's go and see what's there. So it's a nature walk. Guys, I'm quite tired. I'm tired already, but I wanted to show you how people live inside here. Houses. People have built, in fact. People are building here. Let me run. So, those are my people there walking. And I'm behind. Because I'm already tired. So let's do the nature walk. Yeah. We're walking. As you can see, there are some tuk-tuks there coming and some vehicles.
Hi.
Let's look to the farthest end how this place looks like. It looks so good. River nini?
Iko kule na kale fulani.
Lake. So guys, you see people are passing here, and I think the next time I'll be coming to this place, I'll just come with a tuk-tuk. Or guys, it's hot. It's hotter and hotter than. We are walking, and we are almost there's here Bider's Lake. I don't know if there's a lake here. I don't know. But the next time, if you are coming here, guys, let me show you something. Here. So guys, if you're planning to come here, if you don't want to walk, kindly take a tuk-tuk. They allow tuk-tuks to come in and drop you. Then the tuk-tuk can go back, or the taxi person can go back, or the Uber person can go back. Yeah, because this place is far. So it's quite hot and it's sunny. I didn't know if this is the walk because I've never been here. But yeah, let's see where we are going because it's still far. We've been walking for almost 15 minutes. It's far from? Yeah. I think that's why when we were starting, there were residents the other side. People have built their houses or people are living the other side. But now going this way, there are no people who are living along the fence. So it's quite far from the road. It's quite far from the road. There's another family that is behind us, and we are trying to look at them, and because they have a small baby, and we are thinking, these guys, how long will they take to come down here? So let's go, guys. I'm just showing you the views. Walking, but I've also realized they have a clinic inside this park, because when we were coming in, I think you'll see in this video, when we were coming in, there was like there was a poster there that today they've closed. So I actually thought that the park is closed, but it's the clinic. So they have a clinic inside here also that helps the community around. Yeah, we are not done with the walk, guys. We are not done. We are not done, guys. Okay, initially we've paid, I've shown you the receipt that we've paid with I think initially it was 350 shillings because I think it's high season probably. So we've paid 400 each, which is, I think it's quite fair. It's a branch of Halapak though. It's a branch of Halapak. I think it's quite fair if you are coming to see, but you need to come early because right now it's at 3. We are not yet even where the animals are, but you need to come early. If you're someone who likes nature walk, you can walk up to there like we are doing with the people. Like we are doing here. We are doing nature walk. It's healthy, guys, up to where the animals are. So Michelle Kuranini, it's healthy. Walking is healthy. Guys, comment down below if you think walking is healthy. Michelle is saying walking is not healthy. Let me adjust my camera. What do you think about this walk?
It's perfect.
It's good.
Built in the joints.
Oh, so your joints are being built in.
It has been a long time since I had a...
You had a walk.
Yeah.
And what do you think about this place? Because we've not even met one monkey.
Probably they are around, but not along the path. Maybe we can find them ahead.
Oh, Michelle, what do you think about the walk?
The walk? It's not healthy. I'm tired.
You are tired? So we could have taken a taxi or a tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
But guys, as I have said, if you don't want to do the nature walk coming in, it's quite far from the gate, from the entrance. Then from the entrance you pay, then after paying you get in. So getting in, guys, don't think that it's just closer. It's a walk. It's a walk. So it's a walk in the park. How people say it. It's a walk in the park because we are still walking. Since we started walking, hey, mimi nilikuwa nimepa. I actually put on sandals. The rest of the team don't have sandals. I've never been to a walk in a park. So I'm having sandals. People are coming. If you see behind me, you'll see some people coming with the... Oh, wow, guys, we are here. We are here now. Let me turn my camera, then show you. So we are here. There are giraffes here. Let me show you the giraffes. Alafu Michelle, unataka kupiga picha na giraffe? Ninawapiga picha. So guys, there are the giraffes. Very tall giraffes. Oh, we are here, guys. This is so nice. Nenda mwenye anataka kupigwa picha? People are taking photos. Judy, unataka kwenda?
Kijalo.
Michelle, leta nikupige. Hawezi wakakuua, watakuua kwa nini?
I'm done kisho.
Hey, hata unaweza waguza mdomo. Mimi I think naweza kimbia nikifika hapo karibu. So look guys, we are so close to the giraffes. Here are the giraffes. Yeah. As you can see, this is me. And these are the giraffes here. So these are the giraffes. So guys, we are from the giraffe point. And we are heading to the next point. I was so happy to see the giraffes, and people, almost everyone stopped to see the giraffes there. And guys, let me just turn my camera. People are so many here. There's so many people, and people are doing picnics, and this is the place. See, Nguuni Nature Center. It's a very nice place. I don't know how much they sell things. There's the giraffes, they are going. I don't know how much they sell drinks and everything. There are washrooms over there. This place is so nice, guys. I don't know. So here the water lilies, guys, there are a lot of things. Wow, there are the giraffes, guys. Giraffes are all over. Oh, I like this. So we can go and sit somewhere near the giraffes. I don't know, I'm so afraid. I don't know how I can take photos with the giraffes. So guys, this is how the place looks like. People, a lot of people inside here. I don't know, it's a hidden gem, so many people don't know this place. But as you can see here, the giraffe is here walking. The giraffe so like literally you are just seeing the giraffe this here. Kuna mtu ako na birthday pale. Guys, the giraffe has just gone and stood near where people are. Is it? So I don't know if that's the game warden or what. How do they are they called? So they are trying to scare them away. So we just carried this Masai shuka so that we can sit down here. Give you the story, guys. You can literally come here for a picnic because people are so many. I just want to take one round video round so that you can see how people are here, and cars are parked and giraffes are just walking. I've not seen the ostriches. I don't know where the ostriches are, but we've been told they want to feed the giraffes. So I'll show you when they're feeding the giraffe. I don't know where yeah. I was sitting the opposite side of the light. So yeah, giraffes are here. But the other thing that we want to see are the ostriches. So I just want to ask one of the game wardens where the ostriches are so that we can see the ostriches. But it's a nice place because you can do picnics. I'm seeing some other people doing birthdays over there. They have some small shere. I don't think it's kids, and I don't know how they charge kids though. Kids are here, and yeah. So they have picnic sites. They have. So guys, you see those are cars parked, vehicles parked, and here. So guys, you can see there. This is where they've directed people for picnic. You can come, just put your Masai shuka how we've done, then you can just relax with your people and see the giraffes all over. See the giraffes, some are there. Yeah. So you can see that guy is calling them. That one is called Jose. So I've heard him calling him Jose. I don't know if that's the name. So it's I think also think food is quite expensive here. There's one here, but I've not asked. You can come and get because there's a place there. Morning. So the giraffe, we are just near the giraffe here, guys, and they want to feed them. Guy is calling the giraffes and they are coming. They're being called and they're coming. You see the other one? And people are really taking photos with them. And people are really flocking in here because this place is therapy, guys. And your word.
very close as such. This is your boundary here. Sawa. Kuja picha vizuri. Watoto usikilie watoto. Si ukae uache mtoto tu ujui kwa.
Mungu wangu. You are Sundowner.
It's a big chicken in the house. Don't be scared. Hadi lapi.
Mungu wangu. Watu washaanza mbio. Mimi mwenyewe naona kama yataka kunidona. Kamera unatetemeka hivi. Mungu wangu, Mungu wangu.
Just stand there.
You can't be faster than her. Who wants to take a closer picture? Who wants to take a closer picture here? Nobody? All of you are cowards? Where are you running away?
Ndugu yangu. Ambu mpeleka usanii huko.
Who wants to take a close up? Who wants? Okay. Nobody. Nobody wants to take a close up. How is your cameraman?
Ostrich ni mmoja tu.
Jana ni kama mkubwa.
Mimi naweza toka mbio. I don't think if I can do that. Haizi kukudona. Siwaona yule mtoto anasimama tu. Ah, we. Hey, ona venye umempata vizuri.
Ule pale akikunywa maji.
Nimshike akikunywa maji.
Hello. How are you? Nianza kujitetea mapema na kuna mwingine pale unajua amesikia. Oh. Ah. You will see. You will see. Mama hapo upigwe picha basi.
Watoto tulisema watu washikilie watoto wao. Shikilia hapo kwa tuatia mtoto hapo.
Cheki miguu, hebu toka. Cheki miguu.
Baje kama la.
Nakwambia, hebu cheki miguu yake yenyewe kama. Guys, now everyone was excited to take a photo and also to touch the bird, and I also decided to take a 360 around, taking a video around so that you can see how huge the bird is. This is an ostrich, and ostrich is one of the biggest birds in the world. I think there are so many. I didn't ask, but this one is the one that we got. We really enjoyed taking photos with the ostrich, and I think everyone enjoyed this. One thing that I realized, guys, they keep reminding those who have come with kids of the safety of the kids, guys, because anything can happen at any point. Guys, apart from the place that we've just see, this is where we are coming from. Down here there is also a man-made lake, so let's go and see the man-made lake. This is where all the animals maybe drink water and everything. I think in every park there must be such a thing, such a man-made lake. There's a certain, I don't know if it's a man-made lake here. I think this is where giraffes wanakunywa maji. Then there's a place here. This is water lily. Hapa I think wao wanakuja. So unaona venye hapa. Hizi zinaitwa water lily. Hizi. Then there's a bar area there, I think. That's a bar area. So I'm going to sit there. This place looks so good.
So guys, here you can come and sit here. There's a place also where people can sit inside here.
So guys, let me show you. Here is a chart of all the giraffes that are here. There's this one called Pansy. Then there's this one. There's a chart here, a very nice chart. Then there's another one. Yeah, these are all the giraffes that are here.
Amani, Chisi, Hadija, Loisa, Tracy, Valentina, Rua, Anika, Breezy.
Kuna mwenye anaitwa Breezy?
Ndo hapa wakale kadoo.
Hadija. Guys, let me not lie to you. I'm afraid. I'm afraid I'm carrying a tortoise. My God. There are many. Let me show you.
Mweke chini. Mweke tu chini atatembea hadi penye alikuwa.
We are now, there are tortoise. And there's you can see in the video, there's this video that I've just shot where I'm carrying the tortoise. They can give you the tortoise and carry. So let me flip my camera and you see the tortoise. Mr. Tortoise, unaweza mbeba? Ona ni mwoga.
Ni mwoga ni unamuogopa.
So unaona akifika karibu na sisi kama tuongea yofanye hivi, mimi mwenyewe namuogopa. So na wengine wale pale. Hey.
Naogopa kumshika.
Yule mwenye yoangalia yopatiana. Yopatiana hao wadogo washika, lakini mmoja karibu anikojolea hapa.
Kimshika anajikunja.
Ameingiza kichwa ndani. This side also, inside here.
So guys, this other side is the Sundowner, and also there's these other birds. Comment down below if you know their names, because I've forgotten their names. I don't know their names either. So this is what is in the back, where there is the Sundowner part of it also.
Guys, all in all, I'll give you my honest opinion on this place. The review, I think, if one thing is, if you are someone who wants to come for a picnic, this place is so good for the picnic. It's good for the picnic, for therapeutic. It's a very nice place, a very cool place. You can just come probably with your Bluetooth speaker and your picnic things. Then you just sit down here and you enjoy with your family or with your friends or yourself. You can come here for therapy. Yes, so we are just seated down on a Masai shuka. While everyone is seated down, they've already fed the giraffes, and around here everyone is just sitting down. So yeah, you can if you're in Mombasa, you can come to Nguuni. It's a nice place, but if you will be visiting Mombasa, make sure you visit Nguuni.
It's a nice place, you can come. Yeah, I'll show you when we are living here, guys. I'll tap. I have to show you. Or what do you think about this place?
The place.
Yes,
It's awesome.
it's a good place
Yeah.
for picnic. It has picnic vibes, guys. Though it has giraffes, you keep on seeing the animals. There are giraffes. We've seen some birds. We've also seen the ostrich, and today I think there's only one ostrich. I've only seen one ostrich and the giraffes. It's good. There are lakes, there are tortoises here, and yeah, so people are enjoying. Families are here. Yeah, it's a nice place, as you've seen in the video. It's a nice place. I can't complain because people have come here with their vehicles. Like, everyone is here. Those who've come with boda bodas, those who've come with the tuk-tuks, and yeah, people are enjoying here. It's a nice place. It's a nice getaway out of than staying in the house the whole weekend. It's a nice place you can visit. It's only 400 shillings, Kenya shillings, which is around how many USDs? I'll put it down here. I'll put it down here how many dollars, so that you can visit. There are local tourists, and even, oh, my hand, let me check my. So guys, as I was saying, the place is so good. The only thing that you need to do if you're someone who wants to enjoy your picnic here, you can carry your snacks and everything, then you just come here, because I've not seen anywhere where they are selling drinks or anything. Then another thing, there's somewhere there's written Sundowner. So the Sundowner part, let me just click and show you. Those vehicles are parked. There's that place, that Makuti house that you are seeing. Inside there, the Sundowner part. There, the Sundowner part. When you go there, there are some seats that are placed there. You can see the sun when the sun is setting. Yeah, that's why it's called Sundowner. While the sun is setting. And another thing also, there are how do we call fire? How do we call it? Fire what? The thing that we've seen there, the fire. Yeah, fire campsite. I think it's called like that. There's somewhere where they always light the fire. The firewood is there, so people can go there and yeah. And there where the Sundowner is, there's also some few birds that you can go and see. You see people. Some people are just coming in right now. Yeah, I don't know the timings. So I can just get someone and ask them about the timings. What the timings are like. At what time are you supposed to leave this place? But I can see it's already almost 5 p.m. but people are still here. I think probably people are waiting for the Sundowner. Then now they will move. People are here with their babies. People are here with their family, their spouses, their boyfriends, their everything. Yeah, guys, comment down below. Let me know what you think about the video that I've just this video, and if you would like to see some other places also in Mombasa. Yes. So I'll tap on you when we are leaving, so that I show you a few things before we leave. Guys, it's time to leave, and we are leaving this place. I want to show you how this place looks like huko nyuma. It a wrap. See where I'm standing? Nguuni Nature Center. So we are off. It's 5, and since we are walking, it's a distance, as I had showed you initially in the video. So people have started moving. In fact, if you came walking, yeah, so people have started moving. So we are moving, going down. But as I had told you guys, the place is good for picnic, because how are these animals called, guys? Back something. Now there's these animals also here, guys. They're just stranded there.
they just stranded there. So I don't know what you guys think. Huku there's very many animals, so but we didn't see them there. So I think they come out during the evening. Yeah, so guys, this the Sundowner. So the sun is yeah, as you can see. So yeah. Ooh, I'm being sun-kissed in the evening, so we call it a wrap. Let's call it a wrap, and see you in the next. Make sure you like this video. You also comment down below and let me know where else would you like to see around. Yeah, it was a beautiful afternoon, and cheers guys.